Hey everyone, so for today's video, I will be teaching you guys how to make these really cute origami butterflies as we have here. And yeah, okay, so these butterflies are really easy to make and they only require two materials, a sticky note and a scissor. So let's begin. Okay, so first I have a sticky note right here. Right, and then the sticky side's over here, and this is really important. And then I fold it in half like this. And then after I fold it in half, I fold it this way. Again, in half. And then I open up my sticky note. And then I fold it this way and horizontally, and then like that, right, like that. And then I open it up, fold it this way again, and horizontal. Okay. Okay, like this. And then we can open it up and it will look like this. And then we flip it around and where the sticky side is over here. And then we fold it in half so it gets kind of stuck to the sticky side. Like this in half. So it's kind of like stuck now. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep it like this, and I'm gonna put my finger in here, like a little slit that we have, and then I'm gonna keep it like this, make like a half, and then I push it through here, so like this. Then I crease it, so it would look something like this, like that. And then I flip it around and we do the same thing to the other direction. So my little hole right here, and then I fold it like this, and then I do the same thing with the other side, and I push it through, so like this, and it'll look like this, like a triangle. And then what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna fold it this side. So since I have it like this, I'm gonna fold it this side now, like that. And then I'm gonna cut it right here. Like that, like a little curve, like that. And then I'm gonna open it up, kind of, and then it'll have these four slits like this. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna fold it. There's like a line that we can see right here, and then we need to fold it like this, in half, like that, and then the other side too, like this, so it should look like this. And then I flip it around, and then I bring this up like this, and then like that, like not too much or not too less, like that. And then I flip it to the other side, and then this is the side, and so I fold it like that, and then I like off these, and then now we have our little butterfly. And please comment and subscribe below, and yeah, that's all for today's video. Bye bye, see you next time.